All you have to do is unbox it. Bam, there's your little robot. What's his name? EILIK?
EILIK.
EILIK. EILIK. What is that? All right, let's
Those are their outfits.
All right, let's see what it looks like. All right, well, let's get it open. Check it out.
So this is...
All right, so there we are. That's it right there. Let's take a look at it.
I want to order another one so they can have friends.
Here's your box.
Because they interact together.
Oh, all right.
It has numerous interactivities based on his 4 basic emotional states: normal, happy, angry, and sad. More than 1,000 emotional expressions will appear on Eilik's face.
All right, hopefully it doesn't kill you while you're sleeping.
So to update and do stuff, you just connect it to the PC or...
All right, let's do it. Let's get it open.
Look how cute this is.
Look at this, though. Inside here, there's a bunch of comics inside of it. And then there's a whole story on the inside. And he's in here somewhere. Let's open him up and see what he looks like. Let's open up the box. Get that box open.
All the packaging is so cute.
I know, and it's hard to open. I think it's on this side, other side. No, yeah, that's it. What's that? What's it say?
Hello?
Ooh, look at this. What's all this stuff? What is all this? Is this his booklet?
Stickers. No, they're stickers.
Oh, what do you do with those?
I'm not sure. Do they go?
Maybe they go on him.
No. You
No?
can put stickers on him, but like, why would I put that on him?
I don't know.
It looks like you're just...
What is that, his arms?
You just put the stickers like on here to make an expression. I wonder if it's...
Well, let's put that to the side.
I wonder if it's this. It is this. You cut it.
Oh.
And then you can...
Oh, cut it. Cut it. Because now we can see the cartoon that's inside there. Watch your finger. Don't stab me either. You're doing great. Just another 3 inches. Should be done in at least a half hour.
It's really hard to cut it.
I know, because it's very strong. Are you ready? Now we're going to see the cartoon. Or like the comic book thing. Open it up. Let's see. What is it? Oh my gosh, look at that. So this is the future. This is the past. All right, let's get him out. Oh, there he is. Look. He's in your lap. Get him out of there. He can't wait to get out of his box. He's been in there for forever. What else is in there? Booklet? Oh my God. Is that a booklet? No, that's not. What is that? It's got to be charging stuff.
The manual. It comes with random snack toys, magnets, double-sided tape. Because I have other stuff.
He has food that he eats?
Yeah, here's the magnets. Charging
There's
cable.
your car
What is it, a C
covered.
cable? Yeah. Manual.
So this is his little things that he eats, and there's a manual.
Here, I have clothing all in here.
And there's clothing.
Okay.
All right, let's open them up and see what's going on. You gotta charge them.
Heart mode. Left to right, dance to beat, talking toy, EILIK theater, countdown timer. Okay.
I bet she's got a charge in him already, too. You're free, young man. You're free. Oh, he's so happy to get the hell out of that thing. Oh, wow. He's going. Oh, my God. Oh, he likes that. Oh, maybe he doesn't. Rub his belly and see what happens. Huh.
No, it's, yeah, right here.
See, his eyes get like angry when you do that. Should you feed him something? Maybe he's hungry. Give him a hamburger.
Look at it. You're not even looking at what he's doing.
What's he doing? What is that, a basketball?
Where's the sensor? I have to check everything so I know what I'm doing.
You're going to have hours of enjoyment with this thing. That was hilarious.
Likes the back rub.
Oh, what's that, a gift? Look at that, he loves you.
Too much. Maybe? I don't know. Okay. It has all these games and functions. So, initiated an automated display accompanied by audio with subsequently executing left and right rotation of its head, arms, and body. Tap ahead to enter the selected function. Oh. 1, 2, One.
He's whistling.
That's heart mode. That's default. Left or right? Dance to beat.
What's that? He's pulling a rabbit out of his hat.
I don't understand, so I'm gonna go to the next part. Short press to switch functions. Well, I'll deal with you in a minute. Okay.
All right, Madison, you have fun playing with the robot.
Thanks.
She's gonna feed him now. And if you guys like this video, we're gonna make more. I think.
this?
I don't know, looks like you tape it to something.